Morning students, myself Ajit Pratap Singh. Today in video number 43rd I will tell you about sources of water. Okay students, so let's start with the first source of water, that is rainwater. The water which comes from the rain is known as the rainwater, and it is a main source of water. It rains when the water vapor in the air condenses. Therefore rainwater is free from germs and also from soluble solid impurities. Although it contains some dust particles as well, it also contains some dissolved gases that is present in the air, such as carbon dioxide. In places where the air is polluted, it may also contain harmful substances such as acids. Now the next slide, we start from the groundwater. As we all know that when rain falls on the earth, so some of the water immediately evaporates back into the atmosphere, and some of it runs off the surface forming streams and rivers, and some passes through the soil into the non-porous rocks beneath. This is underground water or groundwater. The level of groundwater is called the water table. The groundwater may run along the surface of the non-porous rocks and come out of the surface at some places to form a natural spring. Groundwater is the source of many lakes as well. Apart from this, as groundwater passes through the soil, it is also filtered by several layers of sand and rocks. Therefore, it is almost free from suspended impurities as well. Though it contains dissolved salts from the soil, as the soil contains it, it may also contain some germs, or we can say bacteria as well. Groundwater can be obtained by digging wells or sinking tube wells to reach the water table. Deep groundwater is usually safe for drinking. Overuse of groundwater is causing the water table in cities and towns to go down rapidly. This is a great cause for worry. So as we all know that due to the increase in population, the water table is decreasing day by day, and that's why the level of groundwater is decreasing inside the ground. Okay students, now the next slide, as you can see in this diagram, this is how the groundwater is available within the ground. The non-porous rocks are there, and apart from this, lakes are also there. So this is the picture of groundwater, how and where it is collected inside the ground. Now the next slide. The next type of source of water is surface water. Rainwater that runs off the surface of the earth to form streams, lakes and rivers is called surface water. So the water which flows on through the surface, that is known as the surface water. Rivers and lakes also get water from melting snow in the mountains. Surface water contains dissolved salts and suspended impurities. It may also contain germs. Also, sewage from cities and harmful substances from factories are usually discharged into rivers. This pollutes the water, making it unfit for drinking. Most of the drinking water supplied to us in towns and cities is from rivers. It has to be cleaned before it is fit for drinking. Okay students, now the next type of source of water is seawater. Rivers that ultimately flow into the sea, as we all know, they add dissolved salts into the sea. The seawater contains large amount of dissolved salts. This is why seawater is unfit for drinking and also for irrigation or for industries. So in this video I told you about the various sources of water like rainwater, groundwater, and apart from this I also told you about surface water, and ultimately I told you about seawater. So that's it in this video. number 43rd. I hope now you will be able to tell about source of water very quickly or very easily. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.